George Walters, and welcome to Reviving the Simple Life, where we explore simplicity and the wisdom of the past. So with that, let's get started. So first off, we're going to get two of these. So we need an 18-inch stool. So we want it to go up inside at least a couple, 2 or 3 inches. Yeah, maybe 3 inches. So we need this one here. So 18, 19, 20, say 21 inches. But first we got to make this straight, get a straight end on it. And just use this your miter saw to kind of straighten her up a bit. Get it the flattest part you can here. There you go. And nice and straight. That should turn pretty nice. So 18, let's see now, I want to go up inside, 18, 19, 20, about 3 inches, I would say, anyways, minimum. Oh, I got pencil. 18, 19, 19, 20, we'll make it 21 inches. That'll give us a nice leg. When you're cutting this wood, like it's all uneven and that, when you're doing them on the miter saw, just make sure you get it really good against the fence at the back for safety precaution. And then when you do it, when you bring this saw down and you get finished cutting, just leave it there until it stops and then bring it back up. Sometimes this here could just flip down, and then when your saw is still going and you bring it up, it could flip it around. So best just to leave your saw like that when it stops, like wait till it stops and then raise it up. Then you don't have any issues. So there's one leg. Maybe we can get 2 out of this one. I think what we'll do is we'll just slice this one on the bandsaw just to be safe. Some old antique axe heads. I got them all sharp and nice. And this one here is an Ardex, a real old one. That one, that's a beauty. That was made in Canada years and years ago. It's the only, it was the last company to make axe heads in Canada. We'll set them aside. I can nip this one with the bandsaw here. I'm going to have to bring her out a bit. Nice to have the equipment. See how that's going to reach. I'm just going to have to cut this off a little bit here. Doesn't matter. There. Get her out of the way so it fits. There we go. So we got 1, 2, need 1 more. This might work if I can just snip this off here. show you how we'll do that. So, let's see how it goes. Just kind of cut these knots off a little bit, make them nice. There we go. A little bit long, but now we can color the size. I might as well trim these up just a bit. These other ones. There. It's a good way to make like walking sticks too. You can bring them in and then just smooth them right up. Then you still got a beautiful knot once they're all done. So we got 3 nice legs now. So now we're going to find the center. I just kind of make a thing, so that's 16 and across there, so the center of that would be 8 1/4. I'll mark that. So that should be just about the same, 8 1/4, 8 1/4, a little bit off, 8 1/4. That's almost, that'll be all right. So now we just need to make the lines, one straight across. There, and another one straight across here. There, okay, so now we got the arm. We put another one pretty close. I just eyeball it, so it's in the middle of these now across. We'll make another one pretty close to about there. I guess that's pretty good. So we'll do the same with here, about there, maybe over a bit, nope, maybe there. All right, so now we got a bunch of lines. Now we got to figure out, so there's, go one like so. We can put one like so, one like so, and maybe one like, and put one there, one there, and one about there. Right, so we want to keep them about the same distance apart. As you can see, I make the legs, so I make all the marks across. So now one leg always goes in the middle of this one. Another leg goes in the middle of that one. Now this one though, you got to remember, it goes on the line. One line that goes straight across. So just put it dead center of that line out wherever you want it. So now we just drill these in an angle. All right, so we got this all set up. I'm going to make a template here to drill for the legs for the stool. I got this set at a 15-degree angle, which will be the angle I want on the stool itself. So I'm just going to do the template. Just to kind of hold her into place here. Make sure that's at 15. Okay. Let's see how that goes. There. Now I can just make the template here. I can just bring wherever I want them and drill it, move it around, drill it, move it around, and drill it. I'll have all exactly the same angle. Tighten it up a bit. I think what I'll do is I'll put my gloves on here in case things don't go to plan. You can do the best you can, but you never know. You know, got that angle right. Gonna come out like so. Put her on the back edge. All right. Now I'll just put my big old clod hopper on here. There we go. Over this one. It should be right in the straight. Wherever the lines are, just keep this end in the middle. This goes on the circle I already did before. Should be pretty close. Or close as you can get her anyways. Make sure you got her at the right angle. So there, just sink them in. So now we got that all set. We're gonna put these on the lathe, and we'll just put these in an angle like so, like that. Should go in something like that. This one will go in like there. Another one here. Hopefully it stands up straight. Well, it'd be good enough. So that's 1.5 inch hole. So now we just got to put these on the lathe and get them set up. So we'll find center. I just measure across and get her close. So this is 2 inches. So I'll make that 1 inch. Put that in there. Yep. Wobbly, but that's all right. There. All right, so we want this, the depth of whatever we got here, which is 3 inches. So I'll bring this up to 3 inches. Put a good line on her so you can see it. And we'll just start bringing that down. What should I use here? There, she's coming. I can take take most of it off with my draw knife. So, okay, let's see how that's going to fit. Nope. That's going to be all right. Yeah. 3 more like that, we got it.